Good morning, everybody. This is the Terrible 63. We're here in Miamisburg, Ohio. Alrighty. Here it comes, everybody. Let's roll it. The symbol for this train is the NS L10 coming from Middletown, Ohio, heading east to Springfield, Ohio. Alrighty. Hold it, don't click away. There's more to come. There always is at the Terrible 63 because you ain't seen nothing yet. Hi again, everybody. The railroad crossing gates are down. We got something coming. Let's roll it.
They usually do that here. People usually do that here. Not surprised. And there is the police department. See? Sorry. No tripod. Friend
The conductor's going to change the signal, everybody. It hasn't changed. Alrighty. Look at this beautiful sitting next to me, everybody. Alrighty. Wow!
Once you guys got all your cars but one set off and had to clear going back to the JIT. Well, y'all cleared the JIT on the way back. Is that correct, over? Yes, sir. We will be in the clear when we come back. Good deal. I got that. We'll make it happen. I'll let me since you're finished at the JIT. I got it all, I guess if you need to have all the switch, you can go ahead. Are you going to need to have all the switch here at the JIT, or are you going to lock up before you head to Fairborn? We'll lock up before we head to Fairborn. That way we can get good signal coming back fine when you do 30. Good deal. Yeah, just all have me when you're heading towards Fairborn, and we'll make it happen. All right. I'll let you know. Dispatch out.
How awesome is that, everybody? The symbol for this train is the CSX L423 coming from Needmore Yard in Dayton, Ohio, heading south to the Queens Gate Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio. Please hit me likes and subscribe it to me, get notifications, and share it to everybody, the entire whole wide world. Alrighty. Hi again, everybody. The railroad crossing gates are down. We got something coming. Let's roll it. Wow. How awesome is that, everybody? The symbol for this train is the NS L10 coming from Middletown, Ohio, heading east to Springfield, Ohio. Alrighty.